Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to dropship with 1688 and Shopify. So the very first thing that we should do here is we just have to log into our Shopify store and then open a new tab and then search for 1688 and then go to their website. And then we are going to use an app on our Shopify, which is the Importify. So we'd be able to drop ship products from 1688 to our Shopify store. Okay, so first thing that we should do here is we have to search for 1688 and then click on their website. That's right. And then right here, you don't need actually to log in to your account or create an account. You just have to simply select the products, and then with the use of Importify, you can easily drop ship products from 1688 to your Shopify store. Okay, so for example, this one. As you can see, we have this add option at the top left of our screen because that is the Importify. So don't worry, because I'm going to show you on how you can purchase Importify or subscribe to their plan. So you just open your Shopify store. That's right. And then make sure that you have logged in to your store on Shopify. Then after that, you can see this app option at the left side of our screen, right? So just click on this one and then click on this Shopify app store at the bottom. And then you just have to find the Importify application. And then if you cannot find the Importify right here, you can use the search bar at the top. And then you just have to search for Importify and you'll be able to see your different applications, but just choose this one. Okay, Importify, the AI dropshipping. So you just have to click on install and then wait for a couple of seconds. And then here you'll be able to see once again the Importify and then click on the install option, this one at the bottom. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then of course, before you can use this one, you have to subscribe to a plan, which means you have to pay for it. But don't worry, because Importify has its free plan. Okay, so you can click on this start free plan option. That's right. And then when you select this one, you'll be redirected to this section. Okay, so you can choose from this two payment method. We have credit or debit card and then the PayPal. So what we're going to do here is to input our credit card or debit card, and then after that, as you can see, we have successfully logged into our Importify dashboard. Now, next thing that you should do is to open a new tab, and you have to search for the Importify extension because we need that so that we can use it when we go to the 1688 website. So just use the search bar at the top and then search for the Importify extension and then click on this first website, and you'll be able to see here if we can add this extension to your web browser. So we already did that. So all we can see here now is remove from Brave or the browser that you are using. Okay, now let's go back to 1688 and then try to find a product that we can drop ship to our Shopify store. So for example, this one. So you just simply click on that add icon, and then after that, you'll be able to see here now the details of the product. So we have here the title. And then if your browser can translate some of the words here on 1688, then that's good. But again, if you just want to use the existing or the default language, you can do this as well. Just click on this add option at the top left. That is the Importify. Okay, so you can actually change the title if you want to. And then we have the description. You can create your own description, the variants, the video, and then the available images of this product from 1688. So just have to select all so that you'll be able to import or dropship these images as well to your Shopify store. And then click on add to store option. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. Right here at the top right, you can see that we have successfully created the product page. So just click on edit or go to import list. So I'm just going to click on edit for now. Okay, so we can now customize the details of the product from 1688. So we are now here on our Shopify product store. Okay, so if you want to change the title, so you can do that. You can actually use AI to, search for a good title for this product. And then you can also generate a product description for this one. For example, customize a cute bag. So it depends of the product that you are selling. And then click on keep. And then you have now your description. And then scroll down for more details. As you can see, the variants has its own name, and then the prices. So you have to input the prices right here manually if they are not available, because even though you use the Importify, that would not guarantee you that every details of the product from 1688 are correct. So you have to check that as well. Okay, so let's go back to 1688 and find some of the details that we need. And then we also have here a search bar at the top right that we can actually use, and then try to search for a product. Now let's try to add a new product. Okay, so let me just go back right here, and then you have here the different categories as well. As you can see, as of the moment, we cannot read this one, but if you're going to click it, we can see here now the different products. So for example, this one. So just click on the add option once again at the top left of your screen. That's right, and then just check the product details, the description, the variants, the available videos if there are some, and then select all of the images of this product. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, that's right. Now you can view this to your store. You can edit or customize this one, or go to your import list. Now let's try to go to the import list, and we will be directed to our Importify dashboard, and we'll be able to see here now the two products that we have imported from 1688 using the Importify. So we can click on the pencil icon so that we can customize or edit the product to our Shopify product section. Okay, that's right. So we have here the title. So you just have to change the title. You can add your own description or ask for AI's help, so you can generate your description for this product. Now you also have to consider that 1688 is primarily a wholesale platform for Chinese sellers designed for bulk orders within China, and it's not natively built for international dropshipping. That means while you can use Importify to pull products listings from 1688 into your store, you still need a third-party agent of sourcing partner in China who can handle order fulfillment, shipping, and customer communication in Chinese. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.